Hi everyone, this is Igor from the Portal to Ascension YouTube channel. It's Sunday morning in Toronto. I'm starting today a tour from a few Canadian cities and towns to showcase the beauty of the nature in Canada. I'm heading to Niagara Falls in Ontario today, where you can see the USA border from the Canadian side. So I'll be filming my trip. I'll be catching a train in 1 or 2 hours to Niagara Falls. I'll also be visiting cities and towns all over the country, like Vancouver, Banff, Blue Mountain, Montreal. I'll be doing soon. I hope you enjoy this tour. I'll see you soon from Niagara Falls. Hi guys, I just got to Niagara Falls. You can see the waterfalls behind me. It's hard to put into words how amazing the energy is when you get close to a place like that, especially when you approach to the waterfalls. So you can see from here, on the other side of the bridge, you have the United States, and my side is Canada. So this is actually the border between Canada and the United States. By the way, Buffalo is very close from here, maybe half an hour driving. Oh my gosh.
Historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion.
When the beginners to these in here, when everybody's
Hey guys, I got tired. I'm on my way back to Toronto. I just got my train. It will be the park train in 40 minutes. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to talk during the cruise because it was so noisy close to the waterfalls. But I had fun. I hope you had enjoyed this video as well. See you next time.